What if you could create stunning art videos and upload them daily without ever appearing on camera? We're showing you exactly how faceless YouTube channels eliminate production barriers. AI generates your visuals. Text-to-speech narrates. Automation handles uploads. Creators focusing purely on art quality attract global audiences. No camera anxiety, no lighting setup, no editing hours. Just pure creative content that ranks for iArt searches and monetizes faster than traditional channels. Start with Midjourney or DALL-E for imagery. Use Claude or ChatGPT to write scripts about creative prompting, art trends, and techniques. Text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs add professional narration. CapCut or Adobe Express handle video assembly. Then automation tools schedule uploads across YouTube. One workflow, infinite content possible. Faceless channels hit monetization faster, lower resource costs, means sustainable growth. Focus on high-intent keywords, AR tutorial, Midjourney prompts, digital art trends. Add revenue kicks in alongside affiliate links for AI tools. Sell digital prompt libraries. Build Patreon communities. Your art becomes passive income while you sleep. Pick your niche within art. Generate 5 unique images. Write a 500-word script about prompting techniques. Add voiceover and music. Upload with SEO keywords. Track analytics. Repeat weekly. Consistency beats perfection. Your first faceless video could rank within weeks and generate passive revenue indefinitely. Subscribe for weekly art automation strategies, like if you're